Guys, I'm not kidding, guys. Look right here, guys. We just got a tornado emergency for this area. Guys, look, I'm not joking, guys. Look here. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Give me a minute. Look at this. Look right here. Right down. Yeah, we got a pink one. We got a pink one. Oh, sound the alarms. Sound the alarms. Sound them. Oh, wait. Sile. Yeah, we got a tornado. We got a tornado emergency. Tornado emergency. Activate the sirens. We got an emergency, guys. Emergency now. We got a tornado emergency. See right here? There it is. Just click what the emergency says. Alright, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southern McCrain and northeastern Red River counties. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Idabel, or 14 miles northeast of Clarksville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Idabel. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely to complete destruction is possible. Take cover now. Move to a Take cover now. Move to the closest okay. The tornado will be near for Idabel at around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Broken Arrow at around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Eagletown, Farmers Hill, Corrigal, Hare's Goodwater, Shinewell, Silver City, Harthworth, Holy Creek, and Garvin. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This tornado may be on the ground as we speak. Do not wait or see or hear the tornado. Please report any severe weather by calling toll-free. This will conclude with today's transmission.